channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button at the bottom of your screen. Tap that bell to be notified each and every time a new merch video drop. And also smash that like button. Today I have a review of some Adidas merch that I picked up from eBay. I don't know if y'all know, but Adidas has a eBay store, and all the stuff from the eBay store is cheaper than what you would find on adidas.com or at an Adidas store. So I picked up a shirt and a pair of Adidas pants, so I'm going to unbox them and review them with you today. So the first box, I believe, is the Adidas shirt. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Yeah, so this is the Adidas shirt in an extra large. I'm calling it a shirt, but it's really a jacket. Alright, so the original price, $65. And on eBay, I paid $24.99. So that was a good deal. So here is the jacket. It's black at the top with the 3 stripes down the side, and then the bottom is white, and you have a hood. So this is like a windbreaker jacket with the zipper. And I don't have to say the quality of Adidas. You all know how well made Adidas is. And on the left hand sleeve, it says Adidas going down the side. So yeah, from $65 originally to $24.99, this is a steal. Okay, so let's open the pants. These are the pants to match. These are the Adidas track pants. And you all know how the Adidas track pants look. 3 stripes with the logo on the pants. And the original price on these, is it going to show? It doesn't have the original price on these, but they normally run between like $40 to $50. And I got these for $20. So I caught the Adidas eBay store at a good time. So I got a whole outfit. The pants and the jacket for under $100. So I am excited about that. Very, very excited. So yeah, I would recommend you all going to eBay. I know Amazon is where it's at right now, but Adidas eBay store, if you like Adidas like I do and you don't want to pay those Adidas prices, hit the Adidas eBay store. They have clothes. I bought shoes for $30, $40. That would be originally like $80, $90. They have men's, they have kids. So yeah, if you haven't checked the eBay store out, check out the Adidas eBay store. So this is going to be a short review today. I only picked up 2 items from Adidas. If you made it this far into the video, please hit that subscribe button and tap that bell to be notified and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you on the next merch review.